This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Mitsubishi Mirage G4 automatic. First, familiarize yourself with the car's interior. Locate the brake pedal on the left and the accelerator on the right. Ensure your seat is adjusted so you can comfortably reach both pedals and have a clear view of the road. Check your side and rear view mirrors, making sure they provide a wide field of vision. Finally, always buckle up your seatbelt before putting the car in motion for your safety. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Insert the key and turn it to the on position, or press the engine start button. Once the engine is running, keep your foot on the brake. Move the gear selector from P for park to D for drive. The Mirage G4 automatic transmission handles gear changes for you, making driving straightforward and smooth. Remember to always keep your foot on the brake when shifting out of park. With the car in drive, slowly release the brake pedal. The car will begin to creep forward. Gently press the accelerator pedal to increase your speed. Remember to always drive at a safe and legal speed, observing all traffic laws. When you need to slow down or stop, smoothly press the brake pedal. For a complete stop, apply more pressure until the car comes to a standstill. Anticipate stops to ensure a smooth and controlled deceleration. When you've reached your destination, bring the Mirage G4 to a complete stop. Keep your foot on the brake and shift the gear selector from drive to park. This locks the transmission and prevents the car from rolling. Next, turn off the engine by turning the key to the OFF position or pressing the engine start button. Finally, engage the parking brake for added security, especially on inclines. You've successfully driven and parked your Mitsubishi Mirage G4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.